In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and verify your identity on Kraken. Start by visiting the Kraken website and clicking Create Account. Enter your basic information, then create a strong password and complete the account setup. After that, confirm your email address by opening the verification email and clicking the confirmation link. Now log into your Kraken account and go to the Get Verified section. Next, choose your verification level. For most users, select the starter or intermediate verification depending on what features you want to access. After that, enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and country of residence. Now you'll be asked to verify your identity. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and make sure all details are visible and not cropped. Next, complete the face verification step by following the on-screen instructions. You may need to take a live selfie or short video to confirm your identity. After submitting your documents, wait for Kraken to review your application. This process can take a few minutes to a few days depending on demand. Finally, once your account is verified, you'll receive a confirmation and gain full access to Kraken features like deposits, trading, and withdrawals. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sign up and verify identity on Kraken. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.